Storms and cyclones. I'm wind, I'm wind, I'm unique. Sometimes I'm cold and at other times warm. Sometimes I'm like a breeze and sometimes like a storm. I'm carefree, I'm fearless. I can roam about wherever I want. Be it a city, village or slum, river, mountain or field. I swing, I flow. I'm the wind, I'm the wind. I'm unique. Hello friends, I have given my introduction to you through this poem. Yes, I the one who flows everywhere. Neither do I have a shape nor color. Sometimes I flow like a breeze and sometimes I turn into a storm or cyclone. Take a balloon, try blowing it with air. What happened? The balloon got filled up and the air pressure inside the balloon became high, isn't it? And at the same place, the air pressure is low outside the balloon. Now leave the balloon in the air. Didn't the balloon fly up in the sky? And all the air came out zzz. What did you learn from this experiment? Friends, today is Makar Sankranti. It is a tradition to fly kites today. My flow is perfect for flying kites today. The children are very excited to fly kites today. Come on, you also go and get your kites. We shall also fly kites. It will be a lot of fun. The objectives of this story are to understand the qualities of the wind.
Come Shyam, the troops of children would have arrived from the other villages. We will get late because of you.
You always come like a horse flying over wind. Come, let us go. Where are the other friends?
They will all reach the ground. Friends, you always come late. Come on, hurry up and take out the kites. I'm very excited. However, I have never flown a kite earlier. Actually, I will also try flying a kite for the first time. It looks simple. Just lift the kite in the sky and pull the string. Look, the red one is mine. Today I will defeat everyone.
Friends, what do you think? Is it so simple to fly a kite? Come, let us see.
Hey, don't you know how to fly a kite? You will not be able to defeat us.
Wait, we will soon cut the strings of your kite.
Friends, do you know why Ramesh and his friends are unable to fly their kites? Has something similar ever happened to you? Come, let us see what the children do.
Look there, Raja Bhaiya. It looks as if his cycle got a puncture. We should help him.
Come, let us help him. These kites have anyways deceived us. Raja Bhaiya, let us help you.
Oh, Ramesh, Shyam, Mahesh. Looks like all of you were flying kites as today is Makar Sankranti. Go and fly your kites. Have fun. Don't worry. I will fill air in the cycle's tire.
Oh Bhaiya, our kites are not flying. Look, the other troops are having so much fun.
Wait, let me finish repairing this. Then I will help you understand why the kites are bothering you all by not flying. Bhaiya, how much air do you fill in the tire? Only that much air, due to which the tire is tight enough to run on the road. And to be able to do that, we have to fill air in the tube of the tire. Do you know, if we fill in more air, then the tube could burst?
Why is that? Once I had filled my football so much with air that it burst.
Why did you sleep while filling air?
Friends, do you know the answer to this? There is air filled in the tube of the cycle. In hot weather, the air in the tube expands because of the heat, but the tube cannot expand accordingly. Therefore, it bursts because I expand on heating.
The air is filled in the tire now. Let us go and fly your kites now. We have to defeat the others, isn't it? Oh Ramesh, look, you're standing in the opposite direction of the flow of the wind. How will your kite fly like this?
In the opposite direction of the wind? How will the direction of wind impact anything here? The wind is blowing in all the directions, isn't it, Bhaiya?
So friends, what do you think about this? How will you find out about the direction of my flow? Let me tell you one way. Pick a handful of sand from the ground. Now slowly release it back to the ground. While falling, the sand will flow in a direction. That will be the direction of my flow.
You should stand in this direction. Today the wind is flowing in this direction. Now watch how your kite will soar. Shyam, hold the manja. Now leave the kite in the air.
Pull, Shyam, pull the string.
Hey Ramesh, come on, cut the string of the opponent.
Up, up goes our kite. Look, we cut the kite of the opponent troop. Wow, it is so much fun now.
Hey Meenaji, see, we cut your kite string.
All of you think about other ways in which you will be able to find out the direction of my flow. Did you observe, friends? To know the direction in which I am flowing is so important while flying a kite. While the children are flying their kites, there are a lot of questions about me popping up in their minds.
To know the direction of the wind is so important to fly a kite. If Raja Bhaiya wouldn't have told us, we would not be able to fly our kites today.
Now our scientist Ramesh will not be satisfied till he finds out all the characteristics of air.
Come friends, let me trouble the children a little bit. They are all going back home on their cycles and talking about me. Let me increase my speed slightly. Let us see what happens then.
Uh-oh, how come the wind suddenly caught speed? I'm finding it so difficult to cycle. Yes, it seems like I want to move ahead, but the wind with its speed is pushing me back.
It looks like the speed of the wind also impacts riding a bicycle.
Shyam, Mahesh, let us go to the Professor Uncle's house. He keeps trying out weird experiments on science. He will be able to explain us the characteristics of wind.
Wind, wind, oh wind, please tell Ramesh everything about yourself, or else he will not be able to sleep. Then he will trouble us. Please help him. Hurry up and tell him.
These children are so naughty. They all want to find out about my traits. Let us see what does the professor tell them. I have heard he is very intelligent. Meanwhile, all of you try this simple experiment. Take a glass and fill it with water up to the brim. Now take a square cardboard piece. Now place the cardboard piece on the glass like this. Press lightly with the palm of your hand. Now carefully upturn your hand. What happened? Magic! The glass filled with water got stuck and did not fall. Think, how did this happen? Let me leave with a hint. The answer is linked to the air pressure. I shall ask you all in the next video. We shall meet soon, friends.